Thinking about becoming a Shipt shopper? Let's get real about if it's actually worth your time in this quick rundown. First, let's talk money. You see orders pop up in the app, and the pay varies wildly. Factor in gas, car maintenance, and your time spent shopping and delivering. Accept orders strategically. Don't just grab the first one you see. Track your expenses meticulously. This is crucial for tax season and helps you understand your true hourly rate. A simple spreadsheet can be a lifesaver. Remember, you're an independent contractor, so Uncle Sam wants his cut. Next, customer service. You'll encounter all types, from super friendly to incredibly demanding. Excellent service can lead to bigger tips, but sometimes, things just go wrong. Be prepared to handle tricky situations and learn from them. Leverage Shipt Resources. They offer support and answers to common questions. Don't be afraid to reach out when you need help navigating the app or handling an unusual request. So, is Shipt worth it? It depends on your individual needs and how well you manage your time and resources. Weigh the pros and cons, give it a try, and see if it aligns with your goals. Good luck.